Want to study Cambodian? No time? It's not a problem anymore. These Cambodian books can help you.
Hello guys, welcome back to learn Cambodian with my channel, and I'm Dara from the Khmer Lesson. Today I have a new lesson for you, and in this lesson we will learn the word "aoy" in Cambodian language. But actually this lesson is I can say was requested by Amber Heading. I'm not sure he or she, but still not clear with using the word "aoy" in Cambodian language. But because like when you hear the word "aoy," everyone will know like this is a word to give, right? The word to give. But actually for the word "aoy," not only the word give that you can use with "aoy," but also the word "aoy" we will use in many cases in Cambodian language. But so in this lesson you will learn all of this. But okay, so right now if you are ready, let's begin. So number one we start from the word to give. That in Khmer you say "aoy." Need not more meaning of the word give. That in Khmer you say "aoy." "Aoy." Now let's see example. For example, you say can you give me $10? Can you give me $10? In Khmer you will say អ្នកអាចឲ្យខ្ញុំ$10 បានទេ អ្នកអាចឲ្យខ្ញុំ$10 បានទេ so you see this one you use "aoy" for the word to give. Now and another example for the word to give as well. For example, you say please give me one coffee. Please give me one coffee. And Khmer you say សូមឲ្យកាហ្វេខ្ញុំមួយ okay សូមឲ្យកាហ្វេខ្ញុំមួយ please give me one coffee. So this is how to use the word to give "aoy" "aoy." And second point, you will see the word "aoy" when you use with the word to let. To let, but not let's not let, but to let someone do something. Let someone do something. So for the word let in Khmer we say អនុញ្ញាតឲ្យ អនុញ្ញាតឲ្យ Actually this is the whole word of the word to let, but because we have this word "aoy" in the word to let, okay, so just learn this as well. So for the word to let, in Khmer you say អនុញ្ញាតឲ្យ អនុញ្ញាតឲ្យ So for example you say let him go. Let him go. អនុញ្ញាតឲ្យគាត់ទៅ អនុញ្ញាតឲ្យគាត់ទៅ okay let him go. And another example with the word let as well, you say let me do it. Let me do it. អនុញ្ញាតឲ្យខ្ញុំធ្វើវា អនុញ្ញាតឲ្យខ្ញុំធ្វើវា ធ្វើវា it means do it ធ្វើវា so you see this is the second use of the word "aoy" that you use with the word to let. Okay and the third point, you use the word "aoy" with the word to make. But when you use "aoy" with the word to make, only in the structure of make someone or make something plus adjective. When I say about adjective, maybe like some students they still not clear what, like they know adjective, but maybe they don't know which word is adjective, which word is noun. Okay, so this one, okay, we talk about adjective like the word happy, like the word hungry, beautiful. So the part of speech of this word we call adjective. So for the word I, when you use with the structure of make someone or something plus adjective, but you say I after the verb to make, but the verb to make. That you know already the verb to make by itself in Khmer you say thver, right? Thver. For example, you say make food, but thver mahop, but thver mahop. And it's just not more meaning. But in this structure, make someone plus adjective, make something plus adjective, you add aoi after thver. So you say thver aoi. Thver aoi. Nah? Don't forget. Make someone plus adjective, make something plus adjective. In Khmer you say thver aoi. Thver aoi. So now let's see example. When you would like to say, don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. You see, angry part of speak is adjective. And make me is make someone. So this example in Khmer you will say, កុំធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំខឹង កុំធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំខឹង ខឹង is the word angry ណា ខឹង and កុំ you know already I explained several times already. កុំ is negative for comment. Don't do this, don't do that. Okay, អានេះ in Khmer you say កុំ កុំ so this example again you say កុំ ធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំខឹង ណា កុំធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំខឹង And another example you say, please make this room clean. Please make this room clean. In Khmer you say, សូមធ្វើឲ្យបន្ទប់នេះស្អាត Okay, សូមធ្វើឲ្យបន្ទប់នេះស្អាត So this room is a word for something បន្ទប់នេះ and clean is adjective. You see, part of speak of clean is adjective. So, សូមធ្វើឲ្យបន្ទប់នេះស្អាត So this is how to use out with structure of make ណា So this is the third use of out with the verb to make. And now go to the last point is number 4. So last point with number 4 you use out with the word for or to. For or to. But it doesn't mean like you cannot. It doesn't mean like you can use with for or to with all cases. Okay, cannot. But just specific case only. So now let me tell you. Actually, for the word for you say សម្រាប់ right? The normal meaning of the word for you say សម្រាប់ And the word to you can say ទៅ ទៅ it means like go to. Go to. And another meaning of the word to you can use with like ដើម្បី ដើម្បី it means like you use like in order to. In order to. And then you say ដើម្បី for to as well. But in this case to you say ឲ្យ ណា ឲ្យ and for also you say ឲ្យ And when will we use this? So for the word I, when you use for or to, when you make someone for make something for someone, or someone make something for you, or do something for you, or you do something for someone. And in Khmer with for or to you can use ឲ្យ instead of saying សម្រាប់ or ទៅ and you can use ឲ្យ ណា So now let's see example. You say don't forget to buy coffee for me. Don't forget to buy coffee for me. So for example, this example in Khmer you say កុំភ្លេចទិញកាហ្វេ and now I use for first. That you say សម្រាប់ So now I say កុំភ្លេចទិញកាហ្វេសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំ Okay, កុំភ្លេចទិញកាហ្វេសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំ And in case you would like to use for like សម្រាប់ But you know, in Cambodian language, or I say in Cambodia, when Khmer people say this sentence like that, you use for in casual speaking like a bit formal, a bit formal. So for casual speaking, we always say ឲ្យ ឲ្យ So instead of saying សម្រាប់ this sentence you say កុំភ្លេចទិញកាហ្វេឲ្យខ្ញុំ Okay, you see, កុំភ្លេចទិញកាហ្វេឲ្យខ្ញុំ It looks like you say don't forget to buy coffee, give me. Don't forget to buy coffee, give me. So this is why for you can use aoy ណា aoy បាទ and another one you use with the verb to បាទ with the verb to អានេះ in for example you say please send the document to him បាទ please send the document to him so first if you would like to use to like ទៅ you can say សូមផ្ញើបាទសូមផ្ញើ is the word to send ឯកសារ is document to him ទៅគាត់ okay so អានេះ I use ទៅ first សូមផ្ញើឯកសារទៅគាត់បាទ it means please send the document go to him បាទ go to him អានេះ you use ទៅ and another option you say សូមផ្ញើឯកសារឲ្យគាត់បាទសូមផ្ញើឯកសារឲ្យគាត់បាទ so អានេះ is the same as you say please send the document give him ណា please send the document give him បាទ so you see number 4 I mean you do something for someone do something for you បាទអានេះ for and to you can say ឲ្យណាបាទBut so I hope everyone understand clearly about using aoy in Cambodian language. But okay, so in this lesson I have only this for you with using aoy. I hope you understand clearly about this. And okay, thanks so much for watching. And if you have any question would like to ask, okay, or still not clear with some points from the lesson, please let me know in the comment section, and I will try to answer your question. Bye. Okay, again, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.